Well, today I'm going to show you 10 very unusual ways how you can transform your anarkali. Well, for the first drape, I am placing the center part of the dupatta on one shoulder and now pinning the borders on the other side of the waist. And just remember to only use tiny baby safety pins for the pinning. And in the next one, the only change I'm doing is just adding a belt on the waist. This one's a very interesting drape where you have to place the center of the dupatta around the back of the neck and pin both these edges at the waist like this. I'm using this brooch to accentuate the waist as the waistline is looking very empty. Well, if your anarkali has some embroidery around the waist, then you can easily skip this. Well, this dummy has no arms, but you can obviously lift the drape and hold it around your arms like this. My least favorite, but I had to reach the number 10 somehow, so here goes it. Just place the dupatta from behind and under your armhole and stitch it up at the waist with the help of a belt. Just let this part a little loose from behind to form this cowl. Well, this one is just a variation of the other drape where I have taken one side of the drape out and let it fall from over the belt. Well, I forgot to tell you that the other side of the drape needs to be pinned under the armhole for it to stay intact. Well, always use the pins from the inside of the dress and never use it on the outside. You might just damage the fabric. Well, I love this drape. Simply pin this part of the dupatta on one shoulder and leave enough space for your arm to come out just like a slit. And now pin both these edges on the shoulder. Well, this is just a classic one-side dupatta look with a belt tie-up. This is my variation of the previous drape where I am just shifting the drape diagonally towards the other end. Well, this is another variation where I have let the drape fall from the shoulder towards the arm. And I have shifted the drape to the other end of the waist by neatly gathering it. Well, this is a very ethnic, royal and classic way of draping it, and I love it. You just have to let one side of the drape fall on your shoulder, and the other side you have to gather like this and pin it up at the shoulder. Well, if you've liked the video, then please show your love on the comments, and if you haven't liked it, then keep waiting for the next video.